Hey there, just want to introduce myself. My name is Bob, and I just released a new report called The 4 Steps to Generating New Customers Without Spending Money on Advertising. Are you a small business that needs customers? Are you a small business that needs repeat customers? Confused on where to start and tired of throwing money away on marketing without seeing any kind of results? Then this report's for you. And it's free. That's right, just download and we share a personal marketing platform so you can recreate it and use it for your business. Our platform helps small businesses generate more revenue without having to spend any new money by turning one-time buyers into repeat customers. I assume you're on advertising on the internet right now, right? Well, on average, I get this might be a little bit tough, but on average, how much is a customer worth to you? Is it $20? $30 or more, maybe $100, can be even $500. Now save that answer for later, okay? So let me ask you this. If I was able to show you a way where you could get 20 to 30 new repeat buyers per week without having to invest any new money, you'd at least be willing to listen, right? Right? Excellent. Now, based on what your answer is from the prior question I just asked you, you see what we're doing here seems like a perfect fit for your business or not. You'll know that by the end of this video. But basically how it works is you put together an irresistible offer that asks your customer for their email address. We call this the capture device, and to be honest, without this, any kind of advertising is kind of a waste of money. Seriously, because there's no reason to advertise unless you can capture and turn that prospect into traffic that you own personally. Once you capture that email address of the customer, you then send out an instant message to their phone about 20 minutes after they walk into your business or after you service them as a client. And the message pretty much just asks them basically to leave a review on Google or Yelp or any other directory that you use. So once they leave that review will get you more traffic. So after that's all set up, you just simply send out messages every 2 or 3 days to their email address that's strategically designed to do 3 things. Number 1, makes you guys look amazing. Number 2, gets them back into the store. And number 3, that makes sure they bring somebody back with them when they do come back. So basically, you're getting 5-star reviews, repeat customers, and referrals all in one shot. And the best part, my new friend, let's say you're slow and you want to fill up your store. You just simply shoot a message out to your entire list telling them to come visit you. The bottom line is that your customer acquisition cost will drop like a rocket, and your profit margins will skyrocket. And all our forms of advertising will start to work much better after you start using our model. Now, does that make sense? I know I might be talking a little bit fast, but we're coming to the end of the video. And remember that question I asked you earlier on your acquisition cost per customer. So, without spending any new money on advertising and just using this simple platform, let's say in 30 days you have 1,000 customers on your list. You notice it's a slow day. And with our revenue boosting feature, you can send out a message offering a special deal only good for that day until 6 p.m. Don't you believe 10% of those 1,000 will take notice and respond? If you make $100 per client, let's say, in the cleaning industry, that would be an additional $10,000 worth of revenue scheduled. Isn't that crazy? Wouldn't you love the ability to be able to do that? Okay, well, let's say 1% only respond from your list of 1,000 clients. That's 10 clients at $100. That's still $1,000 of additional revenue. Now, do you see how powerful this is? So download this free report that I'm sharing with you on how to set all this up. If you're too busy, we can do it for you, but we just want to be transparent.